Owner YG Rama, TMPT YG Bersi Walau Bun Tidak Dapat Menggunakan Sepenuhnya. Book this apartment for Sukma. The location is just 3 to 5 minutes away from Emart Mega Lanes. Good view and great hospitality. Spacious, comfortable and clean. I love the home, very clean with all facilities that I needed are provided. My children's was very enjoy. The city view at night is wonderful. The co-host is very friendly and helpful. Next time surely I will come again. Definitely stay here if I come to KCH next time. A very kind host and clean home. Recommended, thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. The host was very friendly and helpful. They also recommended few places at Kuching. Really appreciate how they treat us. Will surely repeat again in future and will recommend to all. Affordable price. Very nice and kind host. Cozy and clean apartment. We surely will be back. Host is very kind enough to make arrangement although we have a late midnight check-in. The apartment are spacious and perfect for those with small family too. The best part, you can caught Kuching's sunrise and sunset from the balcony. Thanks for having us.